Let's see question number 1. Choose the correlation. अभी इसमें देखते हैं हम. First है primary function of money is medium of exchange. So secondary function of money is transfer of value. यहाँ पे है contingent function of money is basis of credit. वैसे ही secondary function of money is standard of deferred payments. Commodity money, shells. Plastic money, credit card. Divisibility is smaller denomination. Portability is easy to carry from one place to another. Barter system is goods. Modern economy is money. Question 2 देखते हैं. Suggest an economic term for the given statements. The act of exchanging goods for goods is barter system. Provisions for making payments in future is deferred payments. System that makes use of currency for facilitating payment is modern economic system. Credit instruments through which bank deposits are transferable are check and demand draft. Monetary value stored and transferred electronically by means of computer, hard drive, or servers is electronic money. And money not accounted for in the bank and not disclosed to the government is black money. Question 3. Choose the correct option. Arrange in the order of evolution of money. So, इसका right option है 2 जो है BDAC. Second है arrange in the order of evolution of money. इसका right option है first वाला जो है BDAC. अभी हम question 4 देखते हैं. Identify and explain the concepts from the given illustration. First है Vasant Seth provides coal from his shop to farmers in exchange for food grains. ये illustration example है barter system का, because barter system refers to exchange of goods for goods. और यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि Vasant Seth is exchanging coal for food grain, which is an exchange of one good for another. So अभी second वाला देखते हैं जिसमें Babin Rao deposits his money in a nationalized bank. ये example है bank money का, because bank money refers to deposits which are in the form of cash saved by the people. और यहाँ पे Babin Rao is depositing his money in a nationalized bank. Third में Charu used her debit card to purchase a shirt for her younger brother. So ये example है plastic money का, क्योंकि debit card and credit cards are used as plastic money. और यहाँ पे Charu uses her debit card to purchase. That is why this is an example of plastic money. Fourth में Malti purchased a house through an agent. The agent accepted the commission but did not issue a receipt to her. This is an example of black money. Because black money is any money which is received but not accounted for and on which tax is not paid to the government. और यहाँ पे agent ने मालती से पैसे तो लिए, accepted his commission, but उन्हें receipt नहीं दी, उन्हें उसको account नहीं किया है, इसलिए this is a form of black money. Fifth में है to prevent misuse or fraudulent use of the national currency, a note ban is imposed on its use at certain times. This is an example of demonetization. Because demonetization is one of the tools which many countries have adopted to control black money. So इस illustration में हमने देखा है कि note ban impose किया जाता है fraudulent और misuse of national currency को prevent करने के लिए. So आगे बढ़ते हैं guys. अभी देखते हैं question 5. State with reasons whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. So पहला statement है there are no difficulties in barter system. इसे मैं कहूँगा disagree, क्योंकि there are difficulties in barter system such as problem of double coincidence of wants, lack of common measure of value, difficulties in storage of goods, indivisibility of certain goods, and problem of making deferred payments. Second है there are many good qualities found in modern currency. ये है agree, because modern currency has good qualities such as general acceptability, divisibility, durability, cognizability, portability, homogeneity, and stability. Third है many tasks are accomplished by money. इसका आंसर है agree, क्योंकि money has various functions which enables it to accomplish many financial tasks such as purchase of goods and services, measurement of national income, deferred payments, used to purchase immobile assets, and estimation of macroeconomic variables. Fourth है, money can be spent anywhere through electronic means. इसका आंसर है agree, because electronic money is a monetary value that is stored and transferred electronically through a variety of means, that is mobile phone, tablet, and it is used for purchase and transaction globally. Question number 6, answer the following question on the basis of the following information. तो information देखते हैं हमें क्या दी है. Ganesh traveled to the mall by bus. He gave the conductor ₹10 coin for the ticket. He purchased many commodities from the mall. At the billing counter, he gave his credit card for payment, but the billing clerk informed him that only debit cards were accepted. Since Ganesh had forgotten his debit card at home, he offered to make payment by cash. ये information हमने देख ली है. अभी इसके बेसिस पे क्वेश्चंस है. पहला क्वेश्चन है आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप्स ऑफ मनी यूज्ड इन द इंफॉर्मेशन. तो मेटालिक कॉइन्स, पेपर मनी एंड प्लास्टिक मनी, क्योंकि ₹10 कॉइन्स, कैश एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड. सेकंड है एक्सप्लेन एनी टू ऑफ देम. मेटालिक कॉइन्स, प्लीज रेफर टू टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 10. टाइप्स ऑफ मनी पॉइंट नंबर 4. पेपर मनी के लिए रेफर कीजिए टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 11. टाइप्स ऑफ मनी पॉइंट नंबर 5. और प्लास्टिक मनी के लिए रेफर कीजिए टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 11. टाइप्स ऑफ मनी पॉइंट नंबर 7. सो गाइस, इसी के साथ हम